Hello everyone, my name is Silva and today I have a little question for you. How much do you repair on colors? Yeah, colors. The ones in our skin, our clothes, the walls, on literally everything. Well, if you're not daltonic, you probably repair on many colors every day, right? But I have another question. Do you know the meaning of the colors? Does any color bring you any sensation, a feeling, maybe an emotion? Well, colors have a meaning, and today I'm gonna talk about it. Unfortunately, I won't have time to go through all the rainbow, but I'm gonna list the three main colors. Those are red, blue, and yellow. So the first one is red. Red, how is listed here, is a color of extremes. It is frequently associated with love, war, blood, with anger, and one thing is that you probably have noticed that your favorite fast foods, like McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, KFC, many of them uses red in its logo, right? That's because red's a color that awakens your hungry. You feel very hungry, you may remember of meats and spices. And another thing is one of the main effects of red is the anxiety. You feel very anxious. You probably wouldn't feel comfortable being in an environment full of red objects or red walls because you would feel anxious. And that's because you never paint a wall of your house red, right? But McDonald's do. The message you get from fast food is basically eat fast, buy fast, and then go away. The next one is yellow. Yellow is a color that is frequently symbolized by energy. And other meanings are, for example, sunshine, light, and childhood. Yellow is a color that is very well received by the human eye and calls a lot of attention. For example, with markers you usually use on books and stuff. Most children loves yellow. And that's because yellow, besides representing energy, it's a creative color. That's one probable meaning of the yellow bulb that represents an idea. And then yellow stimulates reasoning, stimulates learning, stimulates creativity, but it also has a bad side. If you use too much yellow in clothes or an environment, you probably get the same red effects. For example, feeling anxious or maybe hungry. And then yellow is not known for being a professional color, which means you don't see many yellow suits there. And please don't consider using yellow in your next job interview. The last one is blue. Blue is a color that everyone likes, right? It represents calmness, serenity, wisdom, intelligence, many material symbols like ice, the sea, and just like yellow, it represents creativity, intelligence, and I know you can't see, but in these rooms there are some blue walls, which is frequently used by schools because just like yellow, blue helps you learning. And is a very common color for decoration, for example. It can be used both in formal environments, just like a big company, or in a room full of teenagers who want to give speeches to high school. And it also has a bad side. Too much blue can cause a coldness atmosphere and then sadness. If you have watched Inside Out, you probably noticed that the character sadness itself, it's blue. And in English there are some expressions like I feel blue today, or I don't know, my friend feels blue, that represents that you're sad. Well, there was some characteristics of the colors, and I hope you noticed that a color represents much more than just an aesthetic value. They're capable of changing the way we see a product, a place, people, and these are received by our subject intelligence and can, as I said, they can change our whole perception of things. I hope you understood a little bit more of this colorful universe, and thank you for your attention.